Yo, Jeremy Coast to Coast, back at it again. We have a Cutlass here, guys. This one is completely different, unique in always, guys. This guy came in, he said, I want 26's. Now 24's, you still gotta do a bit of work, but 26's is a different world when you put on these Cutlasses, man. When you put this Cutlass on 26, we narrowed the rear end. So we took his rear end out, got new Moser axles, we cut it, we shortened it. I think we put a posi inside there and gears. And we had adjustable upper and lower trailing arms in the back so we can adjust the rear to go down and so we can sit inside here. Otherwise, the wheel's gonna poke out and we can't poke out. But he wanted something different. He said, I don't wanna be like chrome like everybody else, Jeremy. I don't want brush. I wanna do that rose gold look, man. I said, I got you. We're gonna do something funky on there. Rose gold wheels, we rose gold the wheels. We left the bolts chrome, so you just see the contrast is a little different. Disc brake conversion on here. Beautiful car. We just put the steering wheel in the match. He's not finished with the interior yet, but his steering wheel's matching it now. Looking good. Super clean car. I mean, I'm telling you, completely unique and different. Little things that he added you probably don't realize. Put the rose gold here and the lights. And it's a little touch sometimes goes a long way. This guy's got a nasty motor in here. This is a beautiful car. It's getting worked at slowly. And when you see this completely finished, this car, it's gonna be a wow factor. It drives amazing. New shocks, new springs inside the car. The car's lined up. You're not bone-legged, you're not sitting out or anything. You're sitting perfectly straight. That's what everybody pretty much wants when you build these old cars. They wanna sit straight. They wanna be able to drive the vehicle with no problems on the highway, go out of town, and enjoy themselves. Coast to Coast is the place to get it.
I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before. Then I'ma leave it wet like I never did before. I do everything like it's the first time. Told you what it was, I know you heard now. I do everything like it's the first time. If you're not on my time, then you get curved now.
Jeremy Coast to Coast, box Chevys, man, I'm telling you, this one is a sleeper. I can't tell you what it has under the hood. That's not for me to say, but this car's got a motor inside of it. It is bad to the bone. He came to us, he had a couple problems. Someone built the car. He said, Jeremy, can you fix up a few things? I said, no problem. I want to squat. I want to sit a little bit lower. I said, no big deal. We changed the suspension a little bit. We put some coilovers on the car, had the car sitting down a little bit. He has a brand new rear end, but they put adapters on this guy. Man, I'm talking probably like 700 horsepower in this car, or maybe 800. Can't put adapters on that. No big deal, I got you. I flipped it around, shortened it up a little bit, had the wheels custom machined now, so the wheels fit directly on the vehicle, so we can drive the car like he stole it. He can drive the car like he wants to drive the car. That's the biggest thing. Suspension was off a little bit, like I said, the front end, a little bit off. Disc brake conversion in the front was done to this car. 28s, bad to the bone. I'm sorry, I'm lying to you. 26's. Lied. 26's, not 28's. Got it sitting low. Savinis. Got the brushed gold on there. Looking fly. He's going to fix up a few things. But when I tell you this car's got a motor, and the way the car drives is amazing now. We checked the front end, the suspension's sitting good. We checked out the upper control arms, the lower control arms, the bushings on the car. This thing's bad. I'll take you guys for a ride in a little bit. You'll see this thing, maybe I'll do a little burnout right quick so you really can see this thing get down and get nasty. This car's a mean car, man. Coast to coast, listen, we do everything. We don't have to do the whole build. We can fix some small things for people, and we can take it in stages. Sometimes someone might just want to do a rear end. Somebody might want to just do the front end. The front end is messed up. We fix it. We'll get it right. I appreciate all you customers, man. Thank you. Coast to coast, back at it.
If you put in work, you prevail. Only quote I need is keep it real. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact.
Listen, that's a little sample of his car. If it's broken, I'll fix it. Don't worry about it. Yo, listen, Jeremy Coast to Coast, and we have this beautiful Forgiato wheel here. Custom design. It's going on an incredible car. Can't tell you who. I can show you when it's done. You're gonna know who it is. This wheel is beautiful, custom forged. But guys, listen, this is a new design, new wheel. You have that brushed gold finish, but the special is that new floating billet cap. This is a brand new floating Forgiato billet cap. This is the newest design. It just came out. I haven't seen it yet. It's the first time I saw it in person, and this thing is beautiful. And I can imagine this thing rolling on that Bentley. Ooh, I let it out on that Bentley. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be one to see. Wait. You're gonna be super impressed with this one, guys, man. I'm telling you, that brushed gold, it looks awesome. Forgiato, you did an awesome job. Coast to Coast Customs, back at it again.
There you go.
Brand new wheel again. This wheel is bananas. I'm talking 26 concave ECL floating cap. This checks off all the boxes. This is gonna go on a G-body. Wait till you see this one also, guys. This is gonna be sick. It's coming soon. When I'll show you the pictures and the videos, you guys are gonna go crazy. This is 26 ECL, and the design, when it's cut, I can't spin it here, otherwise it's gonna fly off my counter. But I'm telling you, when the sun hits these cuts and design, it is gonna look bananas on there. Big cat back at it, 26's. Wait till you see this one. It's coming soon to a street too. You. Go. Another new wheel, another new drop, coming soon. 24's, I don't know what vehicle this is going on, but I'm sure it's gonna look nasty. This is the brand new style wheel. You have the ECL wheel again, 24's, big cap, Forgiato. Hey, 2 thumbs up. Wheels are awesome. Came out great. Wait till you see it on the car with a big cap. It looks super cool. The design, the cut, the way this thing would spin in the sun. I can only imagine. I can't spin this off the counter, but wait and see. Coast to Coast, back at it again. Back at it again. This is funky. Some people might like it. Some people might dislike it. It is what it is. You got a custom paint blue on this outer part and purple on this inner part, and it's even blue on the inner. Listen, the tape work was incredible. They took the time when they put this wheel together. Like I said, you might not love it, but when you see it on the car, it's gonna look ridiculous. This is a full monoblock wheel. This is a one-piece forged wheel. No multi-piece, no 3-piece. It's a one-piece, fully forged wheel. And light, awesome. I think it's gonna go on a Range Rover, 2-tone, but wait till you see it. on the car or the truck, and you're gonna love it. Coast to coast, always got something crazy going on, guys. Peace.